Let us continue our topic, Toposhi. Now we are going to see settlement. Settlement is generally the houses. We can say simple language, the houses. The type of houses which we see in the Toposhi. Generally, it was shown red in the color. If you see the Toposhi, the red square was there. Most of the red squares are there. That is only known as a houses, and together the houses, it makes one settlement, one city or one village. So one village is known as a one settlement. The red grid, if you see several places. Now this is the settlement. This is, we call it as a settlement. Now the different types of a settlement is there in the Toposhi. The pattern of the settlement, different type of a pattern was there. One by one we will see the different pattern of the settlement. The first one, let us see, that is known as a nucleated. If you see the settlement, all the houses are closely compact at one place. All the houses are compact at one place. In the topo sheet also, if you see, all the houses are compact at one place. So it is known as a nucleated settlement. It is known as a nucleated settlement, or it is also known as a compact settlement, clustered settlement, because they are concentrated at one place. Generally, this type of a settlement, if you see, found in the yellow color where the region is plain area. Most of in the plain area, this type of a settlement was found. Yellow color means plain area, agriculture region. So this settlement is mainly found in the one region where the region is plain. Now next type of a settlement is linear settlement. As it is clear from the name only, linear settlement. Generally it was appear in the line. It appears in the one line. Most of the houses, if you see, at the bank of a river or at the side of the roads, most of the houses are constructed. When this houses is constructed in one line, it is known as a linear settlement. Either the side of a road or at the bank of river, this type of a settlements are found. In the topo sheet also, if you see, how we'll see the roads. The red line indicates, this red line indicates the roads. Now see this settlement. It is exactly in the line, one line. It is at the line. So this is known as a linear settlement. This was, see, at the line. This was known as a linear settlement at the side of road. Now third type of a settlement is known as a scattered settlement. If you see the settlement, red grid was very far away apart. Generally, this scattered settlement is found in the region, in the mountainous region. In the mountainous region, the region is not flat. The undulating topography was there. So wherever the plain area is there in the mountain, the house is constructed. So the houses were not very close to each other. It was very apart to each other. It was a scattered. So this type of a settlement is known as a scattered, where the houses are very apart from each other. It is not very close to each other. If you see the mountainous season, if you want to see in the topo sheet, in the mountainous season, this type of a settlement is found. The scattered settlement generally found in the mountainous region. The green color is indicated as a mountainous region. Now see, in this region, this houses are very far. Separate houses were there. ठीक है, separate house were there. One settlement, another settlement. So this type of a settlement, which is not very close to at one place, it was scattered. One house is at one place, another house is very far away, is known as a scattered. Generally, it is found on the mountainous region. Now, fourth type of a settlement is known as a radial settlement. Radial settlement is generally one lake, either one temple. When the settlement surrounds this lake, or when it is surrounded by uh, one temple is surrounded by the settlement, it is known as a radial settlement. Most of the settlement, if you see at the center of the settlement, if the temple is there, either the lake is there at the center, and this type of a settlement is found, it is known as a radial settlement. So the four types of a settlement was there: the nucleated, compact, linear, scattered, and radial. Nucleated, generally in the plain area, houses are very close compact. linear at the side of road or the bank of a river, scattered green color mainly on the mountainous region. The houses are very far away from each other, and the radial settlement is generally found at the sides of the lake or the site of the temple. So these are the four types of a settlement. Thank you.